Upgrade to Windows 11 for absolutely free. Windows 11 is a new Windows experience released on October 5, and if you have Windows 10 and your PC meets all the system requirements for Windows 11, then you can install or upgrade to Windows 11 from your Windows Updates settings page. I am Gargi and I work for Microsoft as a program manager. To quickly check if your device or PC is ready for Windows 11, go to Start, Settings, Update and Security, and then Windows Update tab. And here, if your PC is ready for Windows 11, you will see this section which says Upgrade to Windows 11 and it's free. Sometimes we take free stuff for granted. What else do you think is free but is super important and we still take it for granted? If you choose this method of upgrading your Windows 10 PC to Windows 11, all your apps and data will be migrated, but it's always a good idea to take a backup before upgrading your device. If you're ready to try out Windows 11, then go ahead and click on this Download and Install button and go through the steps to upgrade your Windows 10 PC to Windows 11. And if you don't see Upgrade to Windows 11 option in your Windows Update settings page, then there could be few things that might be happening. What else do you think is free and is super important? Step 1 is to make sure that your Windows 10 is up to date with all the latest updates and patches. To do so, you can click on this button which says Check for Updates. Step 2 is to ensure that your PC meets the minimum system requirements required for Windows 11. To see all the minimum requirements for Windows 11, go to this link and also include it in the details section below. But the main ones to note are that your processor is 2 or more cores and is 1 GHz or faster, and you have TPM version 2.0. You can also run the PC Health Check app on your PC, which will tell you if your PC meets the system requirements or not. What else do you think is super important and we still take it for granted? If your PC meets the system requirements and your Windows 10 updates are up to date and you still don't see the Windows 11 upgrade option in your settings page, then another way of installing or upgrading to Windows 11 is by downloading the official Windows 11 ISO or the disk image from Microsoft's official Windows 11 download page. I have included the link to the ISO download page as well as the PC Health Check app in the details section of this video. If your PC doesn't meet the minimum system requirements and you still want to try Windows 11, then leave a comment below and I'll cover that and also how to install Windows 11 from ISO in my next videos. If you want to learn more about Windows 11 or how to install from ISO, then please consider subscribing if you haven't already subscribed. Thank you for watching.